Hey, what's going on, Hustle Nation? Today we're going to be talking about how we can invest in lithium. So this is kind of like back in the gold rush days in California where all the people would run off and go try to find gold. But the people who made the real money sold the gold hunters the picks and shovels, right? So this is a kind of a picks and shovels kind of play here, to where we are going to look at a company that refines and mines the lithium. So this is a company that sells lithium through their lithium segment. Okay, so let's just jump right in and talk about what this company is. So Albemarle Corporation, ALB, is the company that we're taking a look at. Let's go ahead and take a look at what they do. They're from Charlotte here, North Carolina, good old USA. They do basic materials, and their industry is specialty chemicals. They've got 7,400 employees. Okay, so Albemarle develops, manufactures, and markets engineered specialty chemicals worldwide. Operates through three segments. Lithium is what we're interested in. So why do we want to invest in lithium? Because the big push for electric vehicles, the batteries that they use, all use lithium ion, right? Lithium, right? Whether it's lithium, something else, but lithium ion or something else. But at the end of the day, it's all lithium. So we want to look for a company that is in the lithium producing business, right? So one company that we found is this one, Albemarle Corporation. So Albemarle Corporation develops, manufactures, and markets specialty chemicals worldwide. The lithium segment offers lithium compounds including lithium carbonate, hydroxide, chloride, and specialties and reagents for use in lithium batteries for consumer electronics and electric vehicles. Okay, so this is a company that we can invest in that makes the lithium. So let's go ahead and take a deep dive and look at this company. Let's go ahead and take a look at a summary. So market cap $25 billion company, so it's a big company. Look at this. The PE ratio is 7, which is really, really good. It's evaluated very low. Let's look at the chart. So year to date, they're up a little bit. 1 year, they're down. 5 years, they're up. Look at this, pretty good. And since they've been going up. Here's a little dip right here where we can invest. But we don't pay too much attention to the charts here. Now, all these companies that are making electric vehicles, right, the Teslas, the BYDs, the Ford, the GM, whoever, they're going to need this lithium, right? They're going to need this lithium for their cars. So they even give a little bit of a dividend, which is good. Earnings per share, trailing 12 months, $31. Let's look at the financials. Okay, so let's go ahead and look at the important stuff, their financials. Okay, are they making money? All right, let's look. So total revenues, look at this. From 2019 to the current trailing 12 months, $3.5 billion, because it's in thousands, $3.5 billion. 3.1 went down a little bit, 3.3. All of a sudden in 22, the big jump. So they're making money, 2022. In the trailing 12 months, so $7 billion from a $3 billion revenue. That's pretty good. Net operating income. Let's see. Operating income. Look at this. $666 million, $505 million, $502 million, and then they just jump up to $2.4 billion. $2.4 billion. Look at that. Expenses. Operating expenses. Not too bad. I mean, they're not jumping too high. They're kind of staying steady, which is good. Net income. All right, let's look at net income common stockholders. So 533, 375 went down quite a bit in 2020. Probably the reason for the dip, went down quite a bit in 2021. Maybe the pandemic. But then look at this. Boom. 2.6 billion. 2.6 billion. Numbers in thousands, remember? All right, so total expenses, looks like the total expenses are going up, but that's okay compared to the revenues. I mean, that's not too bad. Let's look at a very important metric here. Net income from continuing operations. Look at this. Boom, 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 down quite a bit. but then a big jump in 2022. Yeah, big jump in 2022 going into 2023. Very nice. Okay, so making money. Let's look at the balance sheet. Total assets, they're building up their assets. Pretty good, 9 billion, 10, 15 bill. Net debt, total debt. Okay. Total debt not too bad. Staying moving up quite a little bit, but that's okay. Net debt is going down. All right, not bad. Doesn't look too bad at all. Cash flow. It's all about the cash flow, right? So operating cash flow, look at this. Boom, boom, down quite a bit. Up massively in 2022. Okay. Let's look at the free cash flow. This is the most important thing right here. It's all about the cash flow. Are they making the cash flow? Nope, not in 19, not in 20, definitely not in 2021, but here in 2022, boom, 646 million cash flow, 646 million. So right now they're doing the cash flow. They're providing cash flow. That's what we want. So all in all, a company that I will be investing in as a lithium play. Of course, you can invest directly into Tesla, which is on a tear. It's on an incredible run right now. But like I said before, at the very beginning, the picks and shovels kind of play is one of these. So leave me a comment below on what is your play on lithium, how you're thinking about investing in the EV boom that's coming up. Right? I mean, it's pretty obvious, right? Everyone's making EVs, right? Electric vehicles now. And this is the play that I want to try to take advantage of. And maybe you do too. But, do your own research. I'm not a financial advisor. Don't believe anybody on the internet about anything. So make sure you understand what you're doing. And you can buy this at any brokerage company, E-Trade, Fidelity, and even Robinhood. And I think that if you use the link, and I think that you can still get a free stock or two if you use my link in the description below for the Robinhood. Very easy to use app. If you haven't seen my video on Robinhood, I'll leave a thing up here, and I'll leave a link in the description below for the link on Robinhood, for the video I did on Robinhood. But give me a like for the YouTube algorithm. Share this with someone who likes investing, and definitely tell me what you think about Albemarle. All right. Thanks so much for watching. I really appreciate it, guys. And as always, I wish you much success in your finances and in life. Peace out.